Hi, Ivan from Old School Automotive. Here's another great example. People always complain, why am I demanding OEM parts in some cases? We can get the same thing for cheaper. Yeah, but if I ever put something like that on, it's usually I don't, but even if there is a life and death situation, that's gonna be no warranty. Here's the example. This Ford Transit came to me from another place with a huge noise from the drive belt area. The belt's just been replaced. Here what was on it. Well, you know where this is coming from. Probably it was some kind of a kit. Even though it looks like made in Canada. But for some reason the grease came out. And the thing is, when you spin it like that, doesn't make noise. But it does feels kind of a dryish to me. Yesterday I took the belt off, I spinned everything by hand, start the truck, no noise. I was like, man, there is no way. I put the belt back on, this one, making noise. I listened to it again, it's coming from this guy. So I took it out, then I spinned it with a drill. I got like a cleaning wheel for the moldings, basically a big rubber wheel. And if you listen to the bearing, when you push on it under tension, it does starts making noise. So I told the owner of this, get this stuff from Ford. He did. He probably did not believe me, but whatever. Another thing, I noticed some stuff like that on the belt, and I have no idea, is it the belt itself or something. And the crank pulley was a little bit rusted. I did make a special thing and kind of scraped it out, but I don't think this was the whole reason for this thing to make noise. I did check the size of the belts, looked the same. One thing I noticed, when I'm using my serpentine belt tensioner tool, this one takes a lot more force to get the belt on. Like I have to like force it. So I think the spring inside of here is stronger. Maybe it just simply puts too much tension on this little bearing. Maybe it's not the bearing, maybe it's the spring, but well, there you go. Supporting the economy. What is it? $150 goes to trash. Plus the labor that they paid somebody else to put it on, because I am independent. It came to me with this cup and I'm charging to put the correct parts on it. So I don't know. It's been running for about maybe 30 minutes now or more. I turn it off, on and off, no noise. So it was the tensioner. Why? How? It's crushed into to the people that make these parts, but I'm guessing this belt is not fun to get to. I had to bend my belt to be able somehow to get it on. So if you guys replacing something like that, I would just go ahead and get the OEM stuff. I would not take my chances on doing this twice or paying somebody twice. It's not worth it. The way I think about the parts, if the original parts have a good lifespan, let's say it goes for like 80,000 miles, 100,000 miles, I'll go with the original. If the original parts are crap to begin with, let's say something fails on some cars, then you can search for something else. But in this case, I think there is no talking about it. Somebody wasted lots of money on this, on the savings of what? I think we are talking about the difference, this and that, maybe less than $100, like 70, 50 bucks. Labor twice. And those parts, I don't know if they're gonna take them back. I don't think so. So I think it's going to the trash. Well, there you go. That's the price of savings. Alright, thank you.